Welcome. If you've ever missed out on Snapchat's latest trending lenses, you're definitely not alone. Those fun, limited-time effects can disappear quickly, and unless you're checking the app constantly, it's easy to miss them. The good news is that Snapchat actually allows you to enable pop-up notifications for trending lenses, so you'll always be the first to know when something new drops. Let's walk through how to turn this on step by step. First, go to your phone's settings. This is where all your app-level controls are managed, including notifications. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section shows you all the apps installed on your device. Next, find and tap on Snapchat. This will open up the specific settings for the Snapchat app. From here, tap on Notifications. This is where you can customize exactly what kind of alerts Snapchat is allowed to send you. Now, look for notification categories and tap on it. This section breaks down different types of notifications into more detailed options. Scroll until you find trending lenses, then tap on it. This is the specific setting that controls alerts for new and popular lenses. Finally, toggle on Show as Pop-up. This ensures that whenever a new trending lens becomes available, you'll get an instant pop-up notification on your screen, making it easy to check it out right away. And that's it. With this setting enabled, you won't have to worry about missing out on the latest Snapchat trends again. It's a simple change, but it makes a big difference if you enjoy staying up to date with new filters and effects. Give it a try and enjoy discovering new lenses the moment they go live.